Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. It's Saturday and I'm here to supplement the outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out. It's a really busy day today. The show is 5 minutes from opening and you can see all the supercars lining up to get in. That's a nice Lamborghini SVJ. Another Lamborghini. There's a new Mercedes, yeah. Looks like it's gonna be a busy day. There's Ruby's Diner. They supply the coffee. Oh, this needs to be reminded. These are the rules of South OC Cars and Coffee. No revving, no speeding, and no burnouts. Violators will be banned for life. Here we have the merchandise tent. T-shirts, hats, whatever.
What's up, dude?
And check this out. Wow, that is a highly sprung Herbie the Love Bug. Look at the suspension on this thing. Oh yeah, baby. Now we're talking. Look at that. It's almost touching. Practically touching. Yeah, and next we have a Corvette with Lambo doors. Yeah. Beautiful matching interior. A lot of carbon in the engine bay. All right, so starting a supercar row, we have the Camaro belonging to Simon. He's the founder. His son James's Audi R8. And here we have Ruthie. Yeah, Ruthie. This is the actual record-breaking Koenigsegg that went 280 miles an hour. Yeah, it belongs to the founder of a rigging company. They do multi-level. You'll see him in a documentary on Amazon Prime called Luna Rich. So if you want to find out who he is, check it out on Amazon. Check out the carbon fiber wheels, single piece. The car is wrapped by a famous local artist. So, and I can see the, not exactly lining up, but it's okay, you know. Can't be perfect. Of course, check out the Montana plates. Yeah. One day I'll explain why they use Montana to register these cars. So this is Ruthie, world's fastest Koenigsegg. The actual car that broke the record in Nevada. All right, here we have one of the sponsors of Cars and Coffee, Share. You can rent this thing. Yeah, I rent it. And we have Polestar, the other sponsor. Rear-wheel drive Lamborghini Huracan. The new 992 Turbo. In a cool color. That's one of the more rare colors you can get for your 911. Gallardo. Ferrari F8. Spider. And here we have a Ford GT. Also with carbon fiber wheels. Check that out. Very nice. Got a Ferrari Italia, Performante, R8. This R8 has the engine up. Let's find out why. Nah, pretty stock. F12. F12. This is the last Ferrari designed by Pininfarina. Now, these days Ferrari design their own cars. They don't sub it out. An FF. GT2 RS. A Ferrari Pista. This one is really well specced. The owner pretty much checked every single option box, including carbon fiber wheels. Now these wheels are made in Australia by a company called Carbon Revolution, and they also make the wheels for the Ford Mustang, the Ford GT, and the new Corvette Z06. But for the Ferrari version, it costs like $45,000, which is like twice as much as every other manufacturer. And something new, something different about the carbon fiber wheel here. So check this out. You notice that it's only carbon up to here. Then the rest of that, it's like doesn't look like carbon, but it actually is carbon. And what they did was this is a ceramic coating to protect the wheels from the heat generated by those massive brakes. So you see carbon here, but then they just coated that area there. So some people think that might be fake carbon fiber, but it is real. And I suppose if you're paying 45 grand for wheels, you'll probably want the extra protection. 992 GT3. Another Ferrari, Italia. Nice Viper. And another Pista. This one is also well optioned with some brown stripes and no carbon wheels. GT3. Another F8 Spider. Turbo. F8 Coupe. The Italia. Porsche 992. A very spec'd out 720 with carbon louvers there. And a matte blue AMG GT. Man, check out this hot rod. This is classic. You can see missing mirrors, shaved doors, no door handles, all electronic, billet steering wheel, billet shifter. Yeah, this got all classic hot rod lines, and best of all, it's actually for sale. So check it out. If you're interested, he's only asking $52,000. Vintage Challenger with updated technology. So the engine looks like it came from a Hellcat. Yeah, I believe that is a Hellcat motor. A little dress up there. And he also upgraded to more modern brakes, which is good, as we'll probably need it. A very tastefully modified Tesla Model X, and this is the Plaid version. So this is a Plaid Model X. Check it out. Yeah. So I see he added the Plaid logo there. Carbon clip on the rear spoiler by RPM Tesla. Okay, and then furry carbon fiber backplate for the seats. Actually, I believe this is RPM Tesla's demo vehicle. Yeah, yep, it is. It is RPM Tesla's demo vehicle. So they put a lot of their mods on it, so you can see it, like mods like that. And there's the interior of the Plaid. Oh, look, he changed the wheel. Oh, check it out. Let's go around the side and check out the wheel. Oh, that's cool. White and black combination wheel. Carbon fiber here. Along with the black and white logo. Carbon fiber caps for the mirrors. And check out their new steering wheel. So normally it comes with a yoke, but they replaced it with a Well, full steering wheel. So if you don't like the yoke of your Tesla Plaid, you can get this wheel from RPM Tesla. Furry. Feels like my cat. Wow. Aftermarket Magnuson supercharger. Check out those lug nuts. Here you go, Alex. I filmed this car just for you.
Murphy, how you doing, buddy?
Listen to those side pipes. 365 horsepower. Now this is a good looking Corvette. C7Z06 convertible. It's got all the options. Looks like it has a Z07 option as well. The big wing, the side skirt, the competition seats, and oh dear, it's an automatic. It's the Mary Kay Cadillac. Yeah, for all the successful Mary Kay consultants. This is one cool looking Cadillac. I like it. Okay, check out this pickup. It's for sale. It's got a big V8, big intake, and check out that exhaust. Basically comes out the engine and right through a hole in the hood. Yeah, there you go. Nice and short and properly loud, and it's for sale. And here we have a Tesla invasion of South OC cars and coffee. Look at all that people and look at all that Tesla. It's just a sea of Tesla. Here we have a Plaid. And you know, is that the backup sound he's playing? Ice cream truck. Model Y, Model X, Model 3, modified Tesla, Tesla's on airbag, Mountain Path Performance Model Y. This one's ready for the track. And check out this Model S. What in the world? Ooh, the sound system. Nice. So let's check out the back here and see. See what we got here. Whoa, there we go.
Yeah, that's a lot of power.
Two 12-inch subs there in the well.
Yeah.
I see big caps.
I got more power in my dashboard than most people have in their
And all audio amplifiers. Nice.
Right on, man. You have a good day.
Yeah. This is one good sounding Tesla. So there's a layout. If you understand it, you'll know what it's made out of. And Tesla Ghetto Blaster, nice. Oh, check out this one. Oh, multicolor wrap. And this one has lower and has a new front clip. I guess he's making fun of the ICE engine. Cool. It's good to see so many Teslas like had cars and coffee. Oh, check it out. It's a cyber quad. Hey. This is Tesla's version of cars and coffee. Check that out. Model Y Performance. Cool. And ending with a matte green Model Y. And there we have Simon.
John, how are you,
I see
mate?
the Tesla's invaded on you.
We did. We got the Tesla Club here to show that we welcome everybody to South OC Cars and Coffee.
Of course, you put them in the back.
Yeah, that's where they wanted to be together, where they get the amount of space and they can throw their cables over to the Tesla supercharging station. See? Even the Lamborghini.
Yeah, even a Lamborghini likes it. That's right.
The only thing I'll say is they were a little bit loud when they came in, John. That's the only thing. I had to talk to them about their... That's not going to drive me crazy.
Nope.
Good to see you, mate.
That's like... So, obviously you got some kind of proximity sensor on there. Get too close and it starts
I think
beeping.
you said the word Tesla, actually.
Oh, we said the word Tesla. Because they go, damn it, Teslas are faster than me.
Whoa, that's a big call.
Okay, an upset Lamborghini. A Lamborghini with a body kit. I think this is a Volksteiner body kit there. MP4, 570. Another McLaren here. 720. Ferrari FF. 488. Another 570. Then we have here a Huracan, a GTS, an Italia, and a GTC, AMG GTC. And I see the motorcycles are starting to take up more and more space here at South OC Cars and Coffee. And the reason is, I guess, you know, it's coming up to motorcycle month because it's winter's over and the motorcycles are out in force.